Rene, Bondem, Chief Architect and Strategist at Round Tower Technologies. vSphere 6.7. So it's running mission critical and business critical workloads for our customers, and the experience has been positive. The move towards feature parity with HTML5 for the user interface, also increasing the release of features, which is partly through the use of that technology stack with the VMware Cloud and AWS, right? So it's a much more robust product right now. So for our customers that are very security conscious, so in the financial space and the healthcare space, they typically will have clusters where TPM and virtual machine encryption is actually enabled to provide a secure experience for those services. So core banking systems, core healthcare systems, artificial intelligence and highly transactional workloads are also great fits for vSphere 6.7. By probably 5 to 10%, we've seen an increase. Their code is a lot more optimized now that they're using it in the public cloud with VMware Cloud and AWS. So the lifecycle management has improved. So what it means is our customers are spending a lot less time with keeping the lights on, right? So day two operations are being a lot more simplified. It is a lot more simple and efficient to manage. It has improved a lot from the early days of vSphere 5.x. So definitely lifecycle management and reducing the amount of clicks that an administrator has to use to actually do a task has been greatly optimized, particularly with the HTML5 interface. Yes, so we sell a lot of VMware Cloud on AWS. So it integrates natively through hybrid cloud extensibility into VMC on AWS. So that's actually been a big selling point with 6.7. Yeah, so the two go hand in hand. It's compared to the vCloud Air days, it's come a long way. It's a solution that actually works now, and you can use your vSphere staff who have been trained and they understand vSphere. They can actually consume that hybrid cloud with very little or no training. Stability's been good, yeah. So definitely now that the VMC on AWS code stream is now 6.7 and they're following a DevOps methodology, the stability of vSphere obviously has increased greatly. So yeah, it scales very well. So I think now with vSphere 6.7, it's 128 hosts. So definitely the talk about scale with vSphere, it's now a non-issue, right? Because typically what we do with our customers is we are deploying vSAN clusters, typically 20 to 30 hosts, right? Because that's a natural failure domain. And really going beyond that, it really makes no sense, right? Because you want to have separate failure domains. In the early 6.x days, their support went down. Now with 6.7, obviously being in with VMware Cloud and AWS, their support level has increased, right? Because they've had to. So it's definitely a better experience now, for sure. vSphere is the Rolls-Royce of hypervisors. Moving forward, they just need to continue integrating and simplifying that user interface experience, right? So obviously with VMware Cloud Foundation, that's the day two lifecycle management. You've got the VMC offering, that's obviously all public cloud. Just keep on integrating the APIs and simplifying the user experience. And they're definitely moving towards the one-click experience that you have with other technology vendors. So our customers tend to be their existing vSphere customers. End of life, end of support tends to be the trigger for, okay, we need to upgrade our infrastructure stack. And the other big trigger is end of life of the hardware stack that they're going with. So that's typically a conversation about moving from legacy 3-tier infrastructure to a hyper-converged infrastructure stack. And then there, obviously, there's a hypervisor conversation about the best of breed to use to meet their business requirements. So Nutanix AHV, Hyper-V is commonly on the list, and Red Hat KVM is the other one. 9 out of 10. Yep. So feature parity with the HTML5 interface. Partner with the right partner, because not all partners are the same, and go through the have a strategy in mind, have a design in place, so the logical design, what functions are you trying to achieve, what business problems are you trying to solve, and then go ahead and do your due diligence with testing and whatnot. And then once you involve the partner and you're implementing, make sure you have proper testing, have a go live, a soft launch and then a go live, so that you've got a risk-free solution, right? And that's where a lot of customers go wrong. They don't do their due diligence and they don't properly launch, and they have the wrong partner that they've partnered with, who's not quite up to the task of doing this type of thing.